Hey there, adventure seekers! Welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for all things travel and family fun on the road. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the open highway with your loved ones in a cozy home on wheels, then you're in the right place today. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal everything you need to know to choose the perfect motorhome for your family travel adventures, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned road tripper. Imagine waking up in a new city, or a breathtaking national park. The smell of fresh coffee brewing in your own kitchen, and the whole family stretching out comfortably in your very own mobile house. Sounds amazing, right? But hold on, before you dive in head first, there's a lot to consider. What size do you need? How many beds? What about the budget? And which type of motorhome best suits your family's unique needs? Stick with me because we're breaking down every detail step by step, helping you avoid costly mistakes and turn your dream family road trip into reality. And hey, if you love travel tips and family adventure ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our weekly videos. Alright, ready to find the motorhome that's just right for your family? Let's roll. First things first, why choose a motorhome specifically? After all, you've got options: renting cabins, staying in hotels, or even towing a camper. Well, motorhomes combine comfort, flexibility, and freedom. You have everything you need on board: kitchen, bathroom, sleeping quarters, plus the ability to travel wherever the road takes you without worrying about booking accommodation ahead. For families, a motorhome means togetherness, quality family time without distractions. Comfort, your own space to eat, sleep, and play. Savings, long-term cost efficiency versus hotels and eating out. Adventure, explore off-the-beaten-path spots that traditional travelers can't reach. Think about it. Your family's own private mini-home on wheels means memories that last a lifetime. Next up, let's break down the main types of motorhomes. There are three major categories you'll hear about. Class A motorhomes. These are the big, bus-like luxury rigs often seen on highways. They offer tons of space and high-end amenities, perfect if you want to bring along several family members comfortably. But beware, the size can make them tricky to drive and park. Class B motorhomes, camper vans, the smallest and most maneuverable motorhomes, basically vans outfitted for camping. Great for small families or couples, but they can get cramped with more than 3 or 4 people. Class C motorhomes, these are the middle ground, sometimes called minibuses, recognizable by their overcab sleeping area. They often offer an ideal balance of space, comfort, and drivability for families. Knowing these types early on helps narrow your choices and informs budget expectations. Alright, now comes the fun but critical part: how to really choose the motorhome that fits your family like a glove. Here are the key factors you need to evaluate, no matter which motorhome type catches your eye. 1. Family size and sleeping arrangements. How many people will travel with you, counting adults, kids, and pets? This determines the number of seats, seat belts, and beds you'll need. Many motorhomes come with bunk beds for kids. Some have convertible dinettes or sofas that turn into beds. For larger families, look for triple or quadruple bunk options or even slide-outs that extend living space. Don't compromise comfort. Crowding everyone on couch cushions is not the way to go for a happy trip. 2. Budget, purchase, and running costs. Motorhomes can vary wildly in price, from $50,000 to well over $300,000 for luxury models. But it's not just the initial purchase. Factor in insurance, fuel consumption, Class A's drink the most gas, maintenance and repairs, camping fees at RV parks, or boondocking gear. Set a realistic budget before shopping and try to stick to it. 3. Driving experience and licenses. If you're new to driving large vehicles, a massive Class A might be intimidating. Do you have experience driving big vehicles or towing trailers? Some countries or states require special licenses for certain motorhome sizes. Test drive multiple models if possible. Remember, safety first. 4. Amenities and features. What comforts can't you live without? Full kitchen, microwave, oven, dishwasher, bathroom size and shower type. Climate control, heating, and insulation, important for different seasons. Entertainment systems for family movie nights. Storage space for gear and clothes. Outdoor features like awnings and external kitchens. Make a list of your must-haves and nice-to-haves. 5. Layout and floor plans. How the space flows is huge. Even the most luxurious motorhome can feel cramped if the layout doesn't fit your family's style. Open floor plans promote social interaction. Separate sleeping quarters offer privacy. Slide-outs can expand living spaces but add weight and complexity. Spend time reviewing floor plans online or visit dealerships to step inside different models. 6. Fuel efficiency and environmental considerations. Traveling in a motorhome means burning fuel. Some models are more eco-friendly than others. Diesel engines generally offer better mileage and power. Hybrid or electric motorhomes are emerging but can be pricey. Think about your carbon footprint. Plan routes wisely and consider offset programs. Now, we've covered these basics, but here's a quick tip before moving on. Deciding on the priorities that matter most to your family will simplify everything else. Do you prefer space over fuel economy, luxury over budget, adventure over comfort? Keep this question in mind as we move forward. Alright, let's dig deeper into which motorhome might be the best match for your family size and travel style. Small to medium families, 2 to 4 people. Best options: Class B and compact Class C motorhomes. Pros: easier to handle, better fuel efficiency, perfect for small spaces. Consider models with fold-out beds or bunk options for kids, recommended for families looking for flexibility and shorter trips. Larger families, 5+ people. Best options: larger Class C or Class A, motorhomes with multiple sleeping areas including bunk beds and slide-outs. These rigs offer separate master bedrooms and kid zones, often include dual bathrooms and expansive kitchens, perfect for extended travel or full-time RV living. Special considerations: pets. Look for motorhomes with easy-to-clean floors and pet safety features. Accessibility. If anyone in the family has special needs, look for wheelchair-accessible models or designs with ramps. Seasonal use. Insulation and heating systems for winter travelers, ventilation and air conditioning for warmer climates. Still unsure whether to buy right away? Renting might be a great way to test the waters. Renting allows you to try different models without huge commitment. Great for one-off vacations or if you're new to the motorhome lifestyle. Allows you to practice driving and see what features matter most to your family. If you love it, then buying makes sense. If not, you've minimized losses and stress. Before we close, let's talk maintenance and smart travel habits to keep your adventures smooth. Regular maintenance: engine, brakes, tires, and systems like propane and electrical. Check weight limits carefully. Don't overload. Plan your routes with RV-friendly roads and campgrounds. Learn basic repair skills or keep a roadside assistance membership. Pack smart to maximize storage and keep the living area clutter-free. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful so far, hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow and keeps the adventure content coming. And tell me in the comments, what's your dream motorhome feature? Do you want bunk beds for the kids or a chef's kitchen? I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Buying a motorhome is a major investment, so budgeting wisely is key. Look into financing options with low interest rates. Many lenders specialize in RV loans. Don't forget extra expenses like taxes, registration, and insurance. Factor in depreciation. In some cases, lightly used models might offer great value. Consider buying during off-season for discounts. Always get a thorough inspection if buying used. When it comes to brands, reliability counts a lot. Family-friendly favorites include Winnebago, known for quality and family-sized models. Thor Motor Coach offers a huge variety with innovative layouts. Airstream, for stylish, aerodynamic travel trailers and motorhomes. Forest River, budget-friendly options with modern amenities. Jayco, great customer service and family-centric designs. Research user reviews, visit dealerships, and consider joining RV forums for first-hand feedback. To wrap things up, choosing the perfect motorhome for family travel means balancing your family's size, comfort needs, budget, driving skills, and preferred travel style. Here's a quick recap. Define your family's must-haves and priorities. Understand the types of motorhomes and explore floor plans. Consider renting first to test what works. Budget smartly for purchase and ongoing expenses. Choose a trustworthy brand and get professional inspections. And most importantly, plan for fun. If you're ready to start your family's motorhome journey, don't wait. Start researching models today, and soon you'll be creating unforgettable memories on the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your travel-loving friends. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I love helping our community choose their best motorhome. Safe travels and happy camping. See you on the road.